Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm deeosis and today we're gonna teach you how to flare. So the first thing you need is a cup and some rum punch. I'm just kidding, don't drink alcohol. But remember to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Let's get it. So, first thing first, stretching. Stretching is really important for these moves. The wider your feet, the easier the move. So do these stretches for at least 15 seconds each. Yes. I recommend you guys master these moves also. There's this one, I call it the uplift. There's the money, yeah, and the planche, top planche at least. So these moves will help you learn the flare. Yeah. So let's get, now it's time to break down the flare. So first thing first, need to learn this step. Yes, this. Yes. So that step will help you get momentum for the flare. So it's step to the right and turn your body to the left. Right? You're gonna get this motion. You know? That swing motion. So you want that swing motion to help you do like multiple flares. Yes, so there's this motion. Step. And then you're gonna swing down. So your hand is gonna be like between your 2 feet. It's in the center, between the 2 feet. That's where your hand will be placed. Your hand should not be placed like this. It should be placed to the side like this. Okay? Yeah. So you step. Hands down in the middle. Now it's time to swing. So you will swing this foot. The lower you swing this foot, it's the better the flare looks. So, and the more momentum you get from it. So you swing low, not touching the ground, but low under here. Now when you reach here, what you're going to do is lift this, kick this foot up like this. Oh, so it might look like this. See, it automatically goes through there. Alright, look. Okay. So when you lift this foot, this one goes under this foot. Right? So and then you can finish right here, sitting on your butt. Yeah. Why? Sorry. Now look. Okay. Yeah, so you can land like this at first. At first you land like this. So this is the front of the flare. Okay, so the front of the flare. Alright. This is the hard part. This is where everyone always gets stuck. Right here. I mean beginners at least. So that is why I told you guys to learn the money. That's this. So you can keep your feet up. So in the flare, your arms should not be bent at all. It should be straight the whole time. Okay? That's the other thing. So now we're going to try to go through the back and to the front and try and keep our legs up in the air. Like both legs. Okay, look. Right? Yeah. Sorry about that. So after that, now we're going to learn the other side of the flare. That's the ending part. So now we went, let's recap. We went through, yeah, this leg goes up here, hand goes down, none of them bend, hands go down. Now you lift the other feet up. So this foot goes up and this one will go through under, just like the first part. So here we go here, and then this one will come through like this, and you lift your hips up like this. So you lift your hips up and down and finish. That's where you finish. So let's do one flare. That's one flare. Alright, here are my tips for the flare. At first, I recommend you not use the momentum, as I told you guys at first, because really and truly the momentum thing is more for multiple flares. This is just for beginners, just learning the flare. So I'll make another video on the how to do multiple flares. So it's better you guys start like this, just stay like this, yeah. Swing under, boom. Yes. Okay. Now, you may be more comfortable this way. Swing. Right? Yeah. After you master that, then you use the momentum. Right? So. Right? Yeah. Also, in doing the flare, don't just use your feet. It's not really your feet that does the flare. It's more like the hips. So the swing is not just feet. It's more the hips. So it's like this. So you can practice this. This is exactly how it goes. Just flare. Yeah. Yeah. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round. Yeah. So that's that. Also, this is another way to master the motion of the flare. This step, just walk around and so you're mastering the motion of the hands. This, yeah, nice, right? Also, you can learn this balance, and then yeah, that can help also. That helps also in learning multiple. That's the flare. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Deeosis. Let's grab your empty cup